Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to dynamically change persistent menu in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To do that, navigate to Settings. Click the channel, then Facebook Messenger. Scroll down and you will see the dynamic persistent menu. Then click Manage. Then click Add Item. Add a button title and website link and click Save. Now let us proceed on creating a simple flow to change your menu. Then, add an action. Choose Set User Persistent Menu. Once done, click Publish. Now it's time to test. As you can see, we have an existing persistent menu. Let's test to change it. There you have it. You just learned how to dynamically change the persistent menu.
See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.